My favorite interior feature on the 2019 Ford Ranger is the trail control system and the terrain management system dial knob.
Sync 3 that allows you to do Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with the ability to have Ford Pass Connect, which is our embedded modem that allows you to both lock, unlock, and remote start your vehicle off from the capability of your phone.
The trail control and terrain management buttons, what you get with the FX4 package.
My favorite safety feature on the 2019 Ranger would be Ford Copilot 360, which is the newest technology that Ford has released that gives you adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, forward and reverse sensing system all standard.
The lane keeping system, I think it's super nice to be able to just head down the road and kind of have that on when you have your cruise control on and just make sure you're paying attention.
Is pre-collision assist. That device will actually help you come to a complete stop before a vehicle can hit you.
My favorite drivability aspect of the 2019 Ford Ranger is the skid and bash plates you get with the FX4 package. You can go off-roading and smash the front into small sand drifts and be okay.
The FX4 package, it's really good for off-roading, and you get the best of both worlds on the highway and off-road.
The overall handling and power that the vehicle gets.
One of the things that customers love about the Ranger is its sleek styling, and it gives you the best of both worlds for the mid-size and the full-size truck.
Not everyone needs a full-size pickup truck, so it seems to be the perfect size for everyday driving.
The thing customers love most about the 2019 Ford Ranger is that it's finally back.